Hey, welcome back. Today I will guide you through creating a deepfake video. The first thing to do is go to the link in the description. This is the program we will use to create the deepfake. Now go to the latest release and download the setup.exe file. Now run the setup file. Choose an install location and click next. As you can see, I already have it installed. The setup process is very simple but can take a while. It will sometimes look like it is frozen, but keep waiting. Once the setup process is finished, search for Faceswap in the start menu and run it. We will now need our data. You will need the video you're using and videos or photos of the face you want to put on the main video. I've found a video here that I will use as the main video. I will download the video as an MP4. Now I will look for the face to put onto the main video. If it is someone famous, look for an interview, as that will have the best quality data. This is a suitable video as it is good quality and captures many angles. You can use multiple videos or photos for the training data. I will just use this one video. Now we have both our pieces of data. Go to Faceswap and make a new project. We will need to first extract the faces. Choose the main video for input. Make a new folder for the outputted faces. Now click Extract. Now that the main video is done, we need to do the same process for the alternate face video. Make a new output folder for this data. Now extract. Once it's done, you should see all the extracted faces. We will now need to remove any irrelevant or broken frames. I don't want to use this person in the Faceswap training, so I'll remove his frames. Using a video with multiple people in can prove to be a very tedious and time-consuming process. I have now removed all the irrelevant frames. Now we need to do this for the alternative face. Now I have finished this process. I just have frames of Mr. Beast. I removed all the frames of other people. Now we can go on to the training process. For input A, choose the original faces. For input B, choose the swapped face. For model directory, we will need to make a new folder for our trained model. Turn down the save interval to around 50 to make sure you aren't losing any data if the program crashes. If you want to make a time-lapse of the training, choose the two faces folders and an output folder. Now start the training process. Training can take a long time depending on your GPU power. Anytime from an hour to a week. For a small video like mine, I will only train for a few hours. The quality won't be as good as if I train it for longer, but it will be fine for the purpose of this video. You can always stop the training and resume later. To do this, just make sure you have saved the project. Click Stop. Now you can close Faceswap and open it another time and resume the training. Just click train to resume it. I have now trained the model for 6.5 hours. If you want better quality, you should train for longer. As you can see, we have the time-lapse frames here. We can now move on to the convert phase. This is where we put the model onto our main video. For input directory, choose the main video. For output directory, make a new folder for the output video. For model directory, choose the folder of your model. Switch color adjustment to match histogram. Switch the writer to FFmpeg. Now click convert. Now you can close Faceswap. Here is our final video. As you can see, due to the low original video quality and the short training time, the quality isn't the best. If you choose a better quality original video and train for longer, you will get a better result. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like this video and consider subscribing. Bye.